We've just acquired this Ford Focus 1.5 diesel ST line. It's in absolutely stunning condition. It has just arrived. It's not been valeted yet, and it does need to have the alloy wheels refurbished. But I thought I'd do a quick video now to show you the car. Drives absolutely spot on and looks amazing, as you can see, in lovely metallic grey. Boot area is immaculate. It's got the load cover there as well. It's got the high level rear spoiler and the ST line body styling kit all around it with the upgraded wheels. Got the cloth interior with the red stitch piping. It's got air conditioning, USB point there, extra storage there. It has the sink on this particular model. The multifunction steering wheel, electric windows, mirrors. It's got the upgraded satellite navigation system. We've got Bluetooth for phone prep as well, for music streaming and obviously your phone. Connectivity, satellite navigation. It's just loading up there. Really does not show anywhere on the car. DJH for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty packages and part exchange. Please give us a call if you need any further information on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.